Dear viewer, thank you for stepping by and watching this video. Stop paying hundreds of dollars every month to slow and difficult to use hosting services that lack critical security protection. Introducing the brand new Titan Core technology-based hosting platform to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast and secure servers at an unbeatable low one-time price. Register to get a chance to win a free copy and win prizes worth $2,000. Register now *** limited availability 200 seats will fill fast. *** It takes only 3 simple steps to host your sites with PrimeHost. Step number 1: log in PrimeHost. Log into our ultra-secure PrimeHost account and insert your domain name. You can add unlimited domains and unlimited websites. Step number 2: manage your hosting account. Most powerful control panel. Start managing your hosting account from our user-friendly and powerful control panel in just minutes. Step number 3: install 100+ web script in just one click. Now you can install 100+ web scripts in just one click from our dashboard. This is the only hosting solution you'll ever need. Sunday, the 3rd of October 2021. 10 a.m. Eastern Time, US and Canada. Borrow our sales pages, funnel and brand name. Keep 100% of profits for every sale you make. Build your list. Add your face logo. Enjoy being an official reseller of PrimeHost. Resell to unlimited clients. Get 100% commissions on the entire funnel. Use our high converting sales pages, videos and funnel 24/7 dedicated support for your customers. No technical expertise or marketing experience required. High in demand product that sells like hotcakes. Get your investment back and more in just one sale. One time price. No monthly cost or hidden charges. Start making profits today. Yes, get unlimited reseller rights. Get reseller rights now. Instant access. Welcome to the most profitable reseller opportunity. We congratulate you and appreciate your decision of purchasing our most powerful hosting platform, PrimeHost. Now you can securely host all your websites and domains without paying monthly subscription fees to big corporations. That means you are going to save big money and time while securely hosting all your sites on our reliable servers. But do you know what's better than saving huge money? Making huge money. And you are about to do just that, with no extra work on your part. Here's how. By selling PrimeHost to unlimited buyers using our top converting sales pages, videos and funnel, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. If you want to buy the product, check the description box. You will get lot of bonuses. Well, you may already know that selling software online is the most profitable business. And everyone needs hosting. Everyone from online influencers, affiliate marketers, bloggers, e-com store owners. They all want secure and fast hosting for their websites and business. Heck, most of them are already paying high monthly subscription fees to hosting giants for subpar services. So there's a huge demand for hosting, especially now when majority of the businesses are taking a digital approach and shifting online due to COVID-19. With more and more businesses ready to pay exuberant money for top quality services, this is the right product that can skyrocket your profits and take your business to the next level. Online entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers and anyone doing anything online will buy this unbelievable deal from you in just one go. So without further ado, let us present a key to your success. Introducing. Resell PrimeHost to anyone you want and keep 100% of the profits. Use our highly converting sales pages, VSL and funnel for maximum conversions. We take care of all the customer support and tech issues for your clients' DIY product and setup, saving you thousands of dollars. Get 100% commissions on the entire funnel, including autos, and so much more. Take action. Get PrimeHost reseller upgrade now. Get reseller rights now. Instant access. You are just 3 simple steps away from making easy 6-figure profits from PrimeHost reseller. Step number 1: get your reseller link today. Step number 2: send traffic to our high converting sales page with your reseller link. Step number 3: earn 100% commissions on the entire funnel. Oh, and the best part is, we take care of all the support. So you don't have to do anything, just collect your 100% profits and find a way to spend it. A few ways how this reseller opportunity benefits you. Resell to unlimited clients. Now you can resell PrimeHost premium hosting at one-time payment to your unlimited clients, without any restrictions. Top converting product. Since it's solving a major problem for online marketers, i.e. hosting, your customers will go crazy to get their hands on it at this small one-time payment. Everything is done for you. All the heavy lifting has already been done for you. We have prepared top converting sales pages, VSL and funnel for you to use, and bank big commissions in just 3 simple steps. Keep 100% of the commission now. This is something to look out for. We are giving you 100% commissions on the entire funnel of PrimeHost. Save thousands of dollars now. You can become a software vendor without investing thousands of dollars upfront on its development, testing and marketing. We take care of all that for you. If you want to buy the product, check the description box. You will get lot of bonuses. Nothing to upload or host. There's nothing for you to upload, host or configure. We are going to host everything on our own servers to make things easier for you. We handle the support for you. We have a 24/7 dedicated help desk to handle customer support and queries to make it completely hassle-free for you. You simply make sales and profits and leave everything on us. One-time price. There won't be any monthly payments, profits sharing, or hidden charges. Pay just one small fee for this unlimited reseller upgrade offer and you are good to go. And you'll get your investment back with just one sale. Rest are pure profits. Take action. Get PrimeHost reseller upgrade now. Get reseller rights now. Instant access. Here is the breakdown of how much would it cost you to build a software and funnel like this. Software developer for creating the product, hosting servers and maintenance cost, expert fee for creating software, training professional, copywriter for writing sales copies, video designer for making animated VSLs, web designer to design the sales pages, funnel creator to build your sales funnel. Total cost $5,000, $500 per year, $2,500, $5,000, $3,500, $4,000, $1,200 per year, $21,700. And even after spending that much, there won't be any guarantee that your product will sell. What if your sales funnel flops badly? Do you really want to take the risk, or would you like to take the easy way and generate 6 figures without doing any hard work? Make the smart decision. Grab PrimeHost reseller license upgrade now. Your investment is covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Once again, your purchase is covered by our ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. Try out our PrimeHost reseller upgrade, and if you experience any issues that we can't resolve, we'll refund your entire amount. Just drop us an email within 30 days of your purchase and you will get your money back. So there's no risk for you. Then what are you waiting for? Get instant access now. Right now, we are giving you a complete turnkey business opportunity to make an easy 6-figure income online. Without any tech hassle and headaches. PrimeHost is the kind of product businesses are waiting for, which is why you can sell it like hotcakes and revolutionize your profits. But unfortunately, due to saturation, we can't keep this up for too long. If you want to buy the product, check the description box. You will get lot of bonuses. So if you want to make as much money as possible with the software you just purchased, grab this offer right now. Get instant access to PrimeHost reseller license now. To your success, Firaz Alame Tom Yevsikov. Few points to remember. You just need to send traffic to our sales pages with your reseller link and you receive 100% commissions on the entire funnel of PrimeHost. You don't have to manage any support for your clients. We will manage support on your behalf. You do not receive any guarantee of making money. Although is the easiest way for you to earn money. It will come down to the efforts that you shall make. All that you must do is send visitors to our proven converting sales funnel. No thanks. I am afraid I have to pass up this incredible upgrade. Please take me to the next step for my purchase.